So here now about Moku being used for demodulation. Okay, so what we are using here is the lock-in amplifier of the second Moku. So what we have to do is, you remember from the earlier Moku one, we had connected two inputs to the out one and out two. Okay, so the thumbnail of my this video will be the arrangement that is shown. That is, we have to connect output one of first Moku to input one of second Moku, output two of first Moku to input two of second Moku, and uh, then this thing interface will be ready. As I was telling you, for the lack of more number of ports, what I have done is I have just disconnected the Moku, but I have its output here being displayed. Okay, so let me just tell you what has happened. So you can see the first input here will be coming from the output of the waveform generator, which is the modulated output. As I told you, the waveform generator has an inbuilt modulator. So that will be my in one, okay, which has been connected. Okay. My in two is the square wave, which is supposed to be our, modulating signal. Okay, ones and zeros. That will be connected to second input for our reference. Okay. And what's going to happen is the local oscillator at the receiver. So the reason why we use this lock-in amplifier, again, Moku has a lock-in amplifier in the second, in the demodulation. Here we get a frequency multiplier uh, facility. Then it's kind of PLL where we can get to adjust the gain and the phase and the offset, which we are not using. And also we will be using the local oscillator. Okay, so same frequency you have to give. Okay, whatever local oscillator frequency we have given there, that we should give here also. And you can see it works by using okay. So yeah, so we will use this local oscillator, we will multiply the signal, so it all works same. But ASK, FSK or PSK, it has a multiplier, and cos A multiplied by cos B thing, half cos A plus B, A minus B. And it should work. Okay, so here you got to keep the output here at this particular point A, and input, if at all you keep here into, which is from the first local oscillator, the square wave, we can together observe the demodulated output here. Okay, so and one more arrangement, you got to keep this to polar, the arrangement of this thing, and use a low pass filter, change it. Anything less than 100 should do, something like 90 or 80, because your local oscillator is 100. So below 100, there are no other frequency components except for FM. FM has lots of frequency components. One more constant, it has only has a low pass filter. Okay, so curious crowd can, what you can do is you can have better filter, which is again there in Moku. Connect this outputs there and try for better outputs. But this should do. Okay, so now what you have to do is go to the modulator part, convert it to PSK and FSK, and you should be able to get a fair kind of, uh, demodulated output here. Okay, so that's what. Okay, if at all you have any doubts, you can, come to this lab, and you can also try. But that, as I told you, the constraint is our net connection. If at all I could do a better video, I will put it here. Okay, thank you.